Welcome to our DIY and Food channel. It's our DIY day!
Yay!
Katie, have you noticed something different?
About you? Not really.
It's my hair, of course. Nothing has changed with my wrong face, alright?
Yes, yeah, you give the hair a bit trim and you cut the dry end off and
Yeah.
it looks very healthy and shiny. Did you put something?
Yeah, I was lazy this morning and then
Very shiny.
I just make some leave-in conditioner and spray some on.
Oh,
Ta-da!
really? Oh wow, wow. So are you going to show us how to make the leave-in conditioner? It looks really nice.
Yes. So today I'm gonna teach you how to make a very simple leave-in conditioner for your hair.
Oh wow, okay.
So the ingredients are very simple. We need some distilled water.
Yes.
And if you have some conditioner at home, you can just use some conditioner.
Perfect.
And because today we're gonna put some oil in, so make the hair shiny.
Okay.
So we're gonna have a little bit olive oil. And the essential oils we are using today will be ylang ylang, rosemary, and geranium.
Wow.
And
Okay.
you just mix them together. So those oils are very good for your hair.
I love the smell. It's really nice.
So what you need to do is shake it well.
Yes. Try on me. Try on me.
Just spray on.
Oh wow.
And the smell is really good. And it's all natural. There's no chemical.
Oh wow. Yes.
Yeah. So this is our leave-in conditioner. Hope you enjoy our video today.
Thank you for watching. Please like our video and subscribe it our channel.
And we will see you soon.
See you soon.
Bye bye.